Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for the day. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, if we see Nifty opened with an upward gap, but the sellers took control prominently, which resulted in Nifty ending the day down 0.15%. Due to the decline, the index fell below its short-term 20-period daily moving average, marking a potential change in short-term sentiment. Speaking of a change in sentiment, India VIX has advanced still further, ending the day with gains of 13.56% at levels of 16.60. Among the sectorial indices, Nifty Realty was the best performing index on the back of a stellar numbers coming out of Godrej Properties, while Nifty PSU Bank was the worst performing index for the day, witnessing a cut of 3.66%. From a global market perspective, if we see the macros, DXY cooled off from elevated levels of 106.50 to 105 levels, as did the US 10-year bond yields from 4.739 to 4.47% respectively. The other positive thing to have happened for us in the last few trading sessions is the cool off in Brent crude oil prices, where the commodity has cooled off by almost $8 over the last 24 trading sessions. Coming to Nifty levels, so going ahead for the market, 22,350, 22,300 will act as a crucial support for the index, while the resistance on the upside is seen closer towards 22,530, 560 levels. If there is any correction below the mark of 22,300, the index could witness selling pressure towards the levels of 22,180, 22,100 levels. Coming to the OI data for Nifty, so if you see Nifty PCR, that is the put call ratio, currently stands at 0.63, clearly indicating that there is more call writing in the system at the current juncture in comparison to put. So if you see on the strike wise, 22,500, 22,600 calls have witnessed decent amount of writing, while on the put side it is mainly seen in 22,400 and 22,300 strike. So implying a short term range of 22,300 on the downside and 22,560 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, so the levels of 48,700, 48,600 will now act as a crucial support for the index, while the resistance has shifted lower towards the levels of 49,100, 49,200 zone. Any sustainable move below the levels of 48,600 would lead to selling pressure in the index towards the mark of 48,300 on the downside. Coming to the OI data for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty PCR is currently at 0.61. If we see call writing is currently seen at 49,000, 49,500 strike, while on the put side it is mainly seen in 48,500 and 48,800 strike, implying a broad range of 48,600 on the downside and 49,200 on the upside for the coming few sessions. Looking at stocks and sectors in momentum, so if we see from the broader market, counters such as Mahindra & Mahindra, Godrej Properties, Prestige, Tin India, Zydus Life, Coromandel, these are the counters which are looking good based on the relative strength as well as the technical parameters. If you look at the FIDI data in the cash market, FIS sold to the tune of 2,168 crores, while DIS bought to the tune of 781 crores. FI long short ratio is currently at 45.47. This as they purchased about 11,681 index contracts. On the stock futures front, they purchased 11,399 futures, while on the options front they sold 41,218 call contracts and simultaneously sold 66,839 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.